Pieces of an interview with Brendan Dassey that never made their way into trial were played in court today.
Dassey and his uncle Stephen Avery were convicted in the 2005 murder of Teresa Halbuck. Dassey's attorneys say he deserves a new trial in Manitowoc County because his former attorneys mishandled the case. Dassey's hearing started on Friday, and Fox 11's Becky DeVries has been covering the hearing since day one as we now complete day 4. Becky joins us now from the courthouse in Manitowoc. Becky, bring us up to date.
Well, Tom, today a private investigator who worked on behalf of one of Dassey's former attorneys testified. He talked about his role in the case, and he also reviewed a taped interview that he did with Brendan Dassey. Now, that taped interview was done prior to Dassey's trial. The audio of the interview is poor in quality, so we can't bring it to you. However, in it, the investigator asks Dassey if he is really sorry. Dassey doesn't respond to the question. The investigator also testified today that initially his job was to gather information to defend Brendan Dassey, but during the course of his work, that changed. He said Dassey's attorney told him later on to gather information that would help Dassey enter into a plea deal where Dassey might get a lighter sentence in exchange for testifying against Stephen Avery.
We were to gather mitigation information. We were to gather anything that would further the state's case against Stephen Avery. We were to gather whatever we could to put Brendan Dassey in the best light we could.
It'd be fair to say you believed you were operating in the best interests of Mr. Dassey per the instructions of Attorney Kaczynski.
At all times.
And a few other people testified this afternoon as well, including Ray Edelstein, another one of Dassey's former trial attorneys. Edelstein said he asked Dassey when he was working with him why he made a confession to police. He said at times Dassey said he didn't know, and other times he said the police made him say things. The hearing continues again tomorrow morning. Live in Manitowoc, Becky DeVries, Fox 11 News.